I'm Seth, and this is Measure Less. Today, we're making a pappardelle with scallops in a saffron cream sauce. This versatile dish can be made really with any sort of seafood. Shrimp, lobster, or salmon would all work great if scallops aren't your thing. The ingredient list includes butter, olive oil, garlic, shallots, dry white wine, saffron threads, heavy cream, Parmesan, scallops, parsley to garnish, and of course our pasta. Now for this pasta, I'm going to be hand cutting the pappardelle from homemade pasta sheets, but you could absolutely use a dried pasta instead if you don't want to faff with making your own. Start by cutting your pasta into roughly 1/2 inch wide strips, making sure to flour liberally to keep these from sticking. Once cut, I like to make little nests with my pasta. Start bringing a pot of salted water to a boil. Now, make sure your scallops are nice and dry and seasoned with salt and pepper. Mince up your shallots and garlic. Take your saffron threads and use the back of a spoon to break them up in a small bowl or ramekin. Once your water is boiling, add a splash of hot water to the bowl to bloom your saffron threads and release their flavor. Turn the heat down under your water and cover to barely maintain that boil while you work on the sauce. Heat up a deep saucepan, and once hot, add a dash of olive oil. Once the oil shimmers, place your scallops in to give them a nice sear on each side. Scallops are notoriously delicate and easy to overcook, so handle with care and watch them closely. Once you start to see little cracks form on the perimeter of the scallop, it's time to pull them off the heat. You're aiming for an internal temp of 110 to 115 before you pull them off. Deglaze your pan with white wine and add the butter, garlic, and shallots. Sauté until translucent and add your saffron threads and heavy cream. Then salt and pepper to taste. Remove from heat while you cook your pasta. Crank the heat back up under your water and drop in your pasta once boiling. If you're using homemade pasta, cooking time is going to vary, so start testing your noodles for doneness after just 2 to 3 minutes by cutting through to see if the noodle core is cooked. So when your pasta is almost done, return your sauce to heat and add a splash of the pasta water to the sauce. Then strain your pasta and add it directly to the sauce, stirring until the pasta starts to absorb a little of the sauce and turn a nice yellow color. Grate Parmesan over the pasta and stir it in. Then remove from heat. Use tongs to gently twirl your pasta and plop it on your plates to serve. Add more Parmesan, then place the scallops on top and garnish with parsley or basil. Like this video, follow me on Instagram or YouTube.